Hello, this is Gesner of Global Internet.py. Today, I want to talk about humanoid robots in factories, the good side. To talk about something that might sound like science fiction, but is already happening. Humanoid robots working alongside the people on factory floors. When we imagine robots in factories, we often think of giant single purpose machines, arms that weld, palletizers that stack boxes, but humanoid robots now, machines that look and move like humans, are entering the workplace. And the good side is remarkable. First, they adapt to our world, not the other way around. Factories are built for people. Stairs, narrow corridors, tools designed for human hands. A humanoid robot can walk through the same doors, climb the same steps, and use the same screwdrivers. That means zero re engineering of the workplace. Second, they take over the dangerous, repetitive, and physically exhausting tasks lifting heavy parts, working in extreme heat or cold, bending for hours to inspect tiny components. These jobs break human bodies. Humanoid robots don't get tired, don't slip, and don't develop chronic pain. By moving people away from those tasks, we reduce workplace injuries and save years of human suffering. Third, they boost productivity without replacing the human brain. A humanoid robot can do the same manual operation 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with perfect consistency. But it cannot replace human creativity, problem solving, or quality judgment. So the worker moves from being a muscle to being a supervisor, monitoring several robots, handling exceptions and focusing on higher value work that is not just loss, that is job evolution. Fourth, they take or they make manufacturing more resilient. When there is a sudden surge in demand or a labor shortage, humanoid robots can be quickly deployed. They can be retrained with new software, not new physical parts. This agility keeps factories running, protects supply chains, and ultimately protects the economy. And finally, they attract a new generation of workers. Young people often see factory work as being or dangerous, but a factory with humanoid robots, that's interesting. That's technology. That's a place where they can learn about robotics, programming, and automation skills for the future. Of course, there are challenges, cost, safety, and the need for good regulation. But the good side of humanoid robots in factories is clear. They make work safer, more productive, more flexible, and more attractive to the workforce of tomorrow. So let's not fear them. Let's design them well, introduce them roughly, and use them to free humans from the jobs that machines can do better. So we can focus on the jobs only humans can do. This was Jess Dellen of Global Internet.by. Thank you very much. See you next for the rest. Bye bye.